Dang, she's working. Chirp top 275 LHW. It's automatically picked it up, so I didn't even have to punch that in. Well, that was good. Chirp high, chirp low, low and high. I'll leave it on that. What I want to do, I'm going to cruise along and see how fast we can go and see if that makes any bit of a rooster tail or not. Go for a little cruise and see how much rooster tail it puts out. See how good a reading we get. Throwing a bit of a rooster tail in. Oh, that's fine too. That's not too bad. 20 knots and it's still raining. I don't go that fast offshore anyways. Before, if we press this gain button, it goes fishing, cruising. Not real nice around here. Wouldn't want to go too much quicker anyway, I guess. In my little boat anyway. I'll leave that on. That's off. Yeah, fishing, mate. Fishing, there we go. Leave it on that. Let's go find some fish. Just a bit of squid for bait, guys. Just fishing in shallow now. See if I can get a feed of whiting. I haven't caught whiting for a while, so see how we go. Then we'll send it a bit deeper. Oh yes, that'll be 32. Oh yeah, 34. Come on, baby. Oh. There we go, another one. Get in the boat, mate. Get in the boat. Measure, measure. Yep, another one. Oh, look at that. That's some good readings. I'll muck around with a bit more and get the settings exactly how I want, but as a plug and play, that's pretty cool. Hey, what's that? Dirty great snook. There must be big snook down there. Nice little showering of bait. Fish on top of it too. That's a pretty cool reading. I never used to get that on my old sounder. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh, get out of town. I can't get a whiting. All I'm getting is snapper. They've destroyed 2 of my rigs already. Oh, look at this. Double header of snapper. Are you kidding me? Hey? You little buggers. Sweet following them up. You little buggers. Hey, trying to chase whiting. Sorry, mate. Well, I don't think there's much point putting my whiting line back in with them there. I might go for a shark. The snapper will probably demolish me shark bait. One more cast, eh? One more. See if there's any whiting down there. I know I'm going to lose a rig here. Bang. Didn't even touch the bottom. Look at that. Oh my god. Didn't even touch the bottom. There's got to be hundreds down there. And my little whiting rod. Good fun, but not what I'm after. Oh, little buggers. Come on, mate. I've got another double header. Are you kidding me? Get away from my slop pot. Alright, rock cod, snapper, sweep. What's the sweep doing? A bit lost. Whiting rig away. Go for sharks, I reckon. Little Tommy on there. See how long he lasts over the snapper demolish him. Oh, we're on, guys. We're on. It's not a stingray. It's not a stingray. Got a nice gummy on, guys. Hurrah! Made something of the day. Oh no! No! Well, send him back down. One more, then I'm going home. Beautiful. Sun's going down. I'll give it another 10-20 minutes. Then head for the hills, I reckon. No bites. Put on old Riggsy's shark fishing song. Yeah, boy. Woo! Slug work! Come on. Come on, baby. Yeah! On your Riggy. Oh, get in there, baby. Woo! Wow, that is a slap of meat. Absolute hurler. Oh yeah. Woo! The play paid off, guys. Thank you very much, Rigsy. Woo! Stoked! Oh, what a day. Made up for that. No whiting. I'll just follow this middle. The old gummy sharks are bloody beautiful too. Pretty impressed with that new sounder. Well, that was some of the footage of the fish it was receiving was crazy. Alright, now we've got him lined, run through until I hit that backbone or cartilage. All the way through. And there you can see in here we've just gone over that cartilage. And this is the only bone I've got. Well, so once we go over it, I'll just roll him over and run him through like that. Run him down the other side. Alright. Spin him around. Straight down the middle. I'll clean that mess up after. Get out of the way, you. Straight down the middle. Look at that. And bam, eh? What a fillet, eh? Straight in under this side. Sort of like making a V cut in this way and then in that way. Then you get all that, mate. Well, follow him up this side. Alrighty, spin him over. Now V in under this side. Get him in there. You should be able to feel it with your knife. There we go. Pick him up. You don't want to go too deep. Fighting against that backbone. All that meat in there still. Bam, eh? That's it. That's the only hard bit. And how easy was that? Now we just got to trim him up. Well, you could smoke the belly or whatever, but yeah, by the time you skin it, both sides, there's not much to play with there. Stomach lining off. Bloody runny nose. Not used to fishing late at night. good to get out on the boat. It's been a bloody while. I'll chop him in half. I'll trim him up in a minute. Same thing here, guys. Belly off. Going under that wing. Stomach lining off. Chop him in half. Look at that, beautiful, mate. Awesome. Rightio. Now, you take the whole lot if you want, but I'll just do a little section at the moment. Maybe do it in thirds. There. There. Absolutely beautiful. Trim that up, but that's pretty much it.